Every day in construction project management, we face challenges that test our limits. But what if I told you that within those challenges lies the key to unlocking your full potential? Imagine transforming obstacles into opportunities, leading your team with unwavering confidence, and delivering projects that exceed expectations. It starts with embracing a growth mindset, viewing setbacks as stepping stones. At First Project Management Institute, we encourage you to invest in your skills, learn new technologies, and foster collaboration. Surround yourself with a team that inspires you, and together, you can innovate and elevate every project. Together, we can redefine success in construction project management and inspire the next generation to reach even greater heights. Unlock your potential and watch the extraordinary unfold. Remember, true leadership is about empowering others. When you uplift your team, you create an environment where creativity thrives and solutions emerge. Ready to get started? Visit www.fpmi.org to learn more about our program, explore course details, and enroll today. Empower yourself with the expertise to lead successful projects and advance your career in project management. First Project Management Institute, your gateway to mastering project management and achieving your professional goals. For any questions or further information, don't hesitate to contact us.